Hi all, today I'm going to be showing us how to increase the viewership of your Facebook page. There are certain things you need to do in order to increase the viewership of your Facebook page, even if you don't have large or huge numbers of followers on your Facebook page. Now, what are these things? I'm going to be showing you them, and I will also practically demonstrate them to you on how to go about them. So let's go. Okay, now, so once you're on your Facebook profile, I believe you all know that it's from your Facebook profile that you can do any other thing you want to do on your Facebook page. And on my Facebook profile, the first thing I need to do is that number one, I'll have to create a Facebook page. Try to create as much Facebook page as possible. Let's take for instance, I have my own page. I believe you all know how to create a Facebook page already. If you don't know how to create a Facebook page, you can check on our previous video on how to create a Facebook page. You know how to go about it there. Let's take for instance, I have a Facebook page like this. Let me switch to one of my Facebook pages. I switch it to this one under the Starnet Professional ICT Institute. Create as much pages as possible. Let's take for instance, I have about 4 of them. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 Facebook pages. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using 3 of these pages to promote this main page, which is your Starnet Professional ICT Institute. So once I am on my Facebook page like this, now the next thing you need to do is to join as many groups as possible. Take note, this is very important. When you're joining a group in Facebook page, make sure you join a group that is in line with your niche, or in line with your business, or in line with what you are conversing with. If you can see from my Facebook page, what I have here is Starnet Professional ICT Institute. That's to tell you that the niche of my page here is what? On ICT. That is, when I want to join specific groups, don't go and join groups of people that are not really interested in ICT. That means I'll be wasting my data. So what I need to do now is that to join a group, I'll come to the right top corner of my Facebook page. I click on it where you see those 3 dots. When you scroll, you will see where there are group pages, professional dashboard, and so on and so forth. To join a group, click on your groups. So on clicking on your groups, you can search for the specific group that is in line with your niche, or a group that have the content you desire. So in this case, once I type, I'll now type, since I'm into ICT, I can now type ICT, because I have one, ICT/computer training. So I click on it. This is a group. I'm already in this group. You can see it here. If I click on visit, I'll visit. But this is a group that is say computer free learning. I can join this group now. I can join. I click on the next group. I join. That's why I can't really join those groups now because I've exceeded the number of limit I'm supposed to join. Except maybe in the next 1 week also before I can really join some of these groups. So once I join these groups, I can now be sharing my contents to those groups. See, the secret of this is that in a single page, join as much as at least, let's say, 100 groups. That means I have like my own example. I'm joining 100 groups. That's to say, by the end of the day, I'll be joining like 400 groups. So you can see in these groups, and when you're joining this group, make sure you know the number of people there. You can see like from the first one I have here, this free ICT/computer training group, I have about 55k members. That's said that when you post a video in this group, people will view that video or will view that page. That's just the secret about it. The main secret is for you to follow them and make sure you know your niche. I won't join any group. Let's say if I'm for instance, let's say my niche is all about ice, then I go and join a group of food. That's if I'm wasting my data, because the people in those groups will not really be interested on what I am doing. So that's the first way to increase the viewership of your Facebook